Today I'm going to be cutting a hole in my ceiling, getting ready to put in my AC where there's been no AC before. So what I got it all marked out where I'm going to have my 14 by 14 inch hole. Right up there, just going to cut into the ceiling today and then see what's inside there and what I have to do to beef it up to get the AC up in there, which that's going to be the best location for my AC. Alright, here we go. Going to be cutting a hole in the ceiling and see what we see, and we'll go from there. Alright, this chainsaw really does the job good. So what I'm going to do is finish it up, and then once I get it all done, I'll make another video of when the hole's all finished up and ready to go. So stay tuned and watch the RV Dog channel, and we'll do this together and figure out how to get an AC in an RV's roof where there's never been one before. Thank you for watching.